Do you want to know how you can log into your Chola Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Chola Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Chola Mutual Fund login. Click on this link over here. After you scroll a bit down and it will take you to the official page of Chola Securities. Now you can see login to trade. Go ahead and click it, which is on the top right hand side of your screen. After you click login to trade, a login portal will open up and you can log into your account. You can see that a login portal has opened up. Go ahead and write down your user ID in this box, your password, and then click login. This way you can log into your Chola Mutual Fund account. You can hide the password by clicking on this icon over here, and if you have forgotten your password or unlocked your account, these are the two links to help you recover your account once again. So if you go ahead and select the first link, what you need to do is click on the icon of Chola Securities and you can cross these and you can see that it will lead you to this page again. So you can click login to trade. The page of login portal will open up and you can log into your account. It's quite easy, guys, or else you can just see the user here. Go ahead and write down your user ID, your password, click sign in, and you can sign into your Chola Securities or your Chola Mutual Fund account as well. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.